Now I'll just count them all and get the winner of the prize. Okay, I counted them all up, and our winner is you. Me? Yeah, you. Yes, 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 yes. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Where's the prize? Where's the prize? Okay, this is what you get. Just a nice little, box stuff. What? Really? This is what I get? That's stupid for winning this game? This game is really hard. I hurt myself twice. I should be getting more. This is stupid. It comes with a nice hat and everything. I thought you'd like it. Okay, sorry. Give me something better now. No. Whatever, fine. Ugh, I hate this stupid game. Ugh, this camp is the worst. I hate this camp. It does nothing. Why? Why is this camp like this? Why? I get nothing? I won that game. Oh, are you okay? No, I hate this camp. This camp is the worst. Fine, I'll just leave it alone. Really? Leaving you alone? I guess I'll give this camp another try. Oh, whatever. But it better be better this time. Ooh, I like this hat. Not really a big hat, but some nice. Hope everyone had a great time. Ah, such a nice day.